Me de Isaiah Kojampo, obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Abusia for any adofono mema obibia akwaba ede ebatuma GHS so Ghana wahala jumedie ena ebre asosamo fo munuaba ekwesi kapa ena nso mede ebebe so mashofo ene etiefo na mo amunim se ye afia ye womu se ana season ye womu Christmas season ate se dodo na eji wo mo eni gsema ekoso ena se Yesu awoda eno no yawo obrempon kese ewo wo memu na woda na da yedi esi wo ede amano yedi celebrating ti akwakoye anigye ewo wiase afana enyina achese wo bia eni age ewo ho nanso anigye ni mu no enoma bebre nso na ekoso ewo enkrofo abrabomu nioma na esisie anigye ni mu no ebinom nso era ho ena anigye ni mu no nso ebinom nso so eni age ede abroso na ene dai dinti ameka sa ensenwe nyina ensem bia babeto ya pono eso ya nkasa yenyum tuni abaya Mzbel 16 years I Belinda kuya amwakoa na asem na meka yi na ebusuafo yenua bayi ebrachese yewu Yesu na satan no no soso no na wo maame soso ewo labor chese ye hwe animu se wono so ye ba wonwo enti that 26th ena na chese wono susu edi na woda ana chese ye na no memenda wodi na woda awoda de nkenim sem Christmas ye season na wosedi wa woda de nkaye ni jesonkom nanso ankosa amfa ma ye nua beye ebra wodi ni 41 year old no na ebusuafo ni nyina se ne adopted son ani din edi John achese abranti wa no wote hu no otane no twitwamfonyi videos ne won kro ne ba wote hu no apart from eye won ankasa ne ba be ma wo no ewo ho no ma wo no like 7-8 years apart from no no adopted son wo your friend John achese wonu nani afi SS wo ma mu wie wa see that was 2020 na na mai krampo no achese abofra yi wo kan eye ehu ebi na arahosam ababeto eye edwa ene say dem abaya no abrantie no woni Mzbel enchin ebim na Mzbel kan nsem na chese adane no arewo adane no esu na ebusuafo ensem no ede esewani ensese ye kan ede echo na mama yenkosho video ne ye ba ye beto aso.
And please, I really want to say something quick and briefly to all women, young women especially. Me pacho, we a young girl, early 20s, na would see me ye. Me the emotions na kasa see I might tear up. I was some. Today is my birthday. I'm supposed to be extremely happy. I am extremely happy, but not entirely happy. Because about 2 weeks ago something happened and my heart is broken, and I don't think my heart is ever gonna get back to the way it used to be. I don't know, but like you people always tell me, I'm a strong woman, so I will try and keep that in my mind and still strong, but I am not a strong woman always. See, young girls, young women who are watching me today, me pacho why? I wonyema mayin woman dream friend is saying ni ankrofo beka ni ebeto me pacho wonyema wo na untimi mfa obi ba nya wo bada na wiase ma ewe wo ankasa wo ba. Hey, now we drew age bia. Ni papa ma wora ho papa. Today is my birthday and I'm crying. Sure. And Rami posted a picture of me and my son. Christmas picture now. I know a lot of you were asking, say, where is John? Where is John? Where is John? And I also know said Dudwana and King said John is not my biological son. Me fa John at the age of 3 years. Me titi akwaleya when you 19 years. We year SS university kra afre no akwakosunya IT. John mame ene we hu say me ye nipa bone and me I don't know wabeji John eko. So John is not my son anymore. So if you don't see John in my videos, my pictures, because John's mother came for him. And the sad part is that John went. What did they call it? Chokola ama found 3 years old on the street. Matiti wa shewa ama wanya 19. Every SS with good grades. Albabeko University. Because he wants freedom to be able to do all the crazy and bad things. I cannot tell you the full story. But ni mami by so be fana ko ama no so di na chiko ni mami reason na say nkrofo e de John e compare ne ma the mother has 4 kids. John can one F4. Ni mami say nkrofo esre ne say on to me nhwe ne ba uti choko na uti and to colleague or no. Look at the life I've given John. John ain't me Yusuf a China phone and nonsense. Samsung the crown Yusuf. John, iPhone buy latest one. Acha 2 weeks. iPhone buy acha 2 weeks. No one need. Wa bench no ko. Say nkrofo see. On to me shot the ba. Obetimi ahwe ne ba and the fine ko fa he na di hi onimni ekoso bia the fine she came in the middle of the night to take John away. I didn't allow her. The following day, she came and took John away. And the most heartbreaking part is that John didn't chikoy because he wants freedom. Minimum. Say, age they want freedom to fool around, to walk around, to do all sorts of things, you know? Ghost. Ghost.
Not now.
I've done it already. Ghost, today is my birthday. Everybody is asking, where is John? Where is John? What? For how long will I keep lying? John, mami abefanoko. Wabeji nako. Obi ajiwoba. Ashena manenye years with good grades. Oba beko university. Waba beji nako. 4 years kita mi enu biya na John eyusu. Manya ni bone da. Me treat ni say me yemu ba wo a wonni mu no hu say akola no onya me ba baba akopa na ma won oti ha no. She came and said say and nkrofo de John to ne ma no ho and omo ka say John is better than the man and fine could he. So she came and took the boy away, and the most heartbroken part is that John edi ne chikoye because of penny freedom to fool around. And so far I've heard say he's fooling around, he's roaming here and there at the beach, at poolside, doing this, doing all sorts of nasty niyama. Mesra John baby no bobra boni bia embo me din boni enye me ba e ma mi abefa me ko ni ma mi ti choko ente mara mu hwe mi e u pese wo fa ba mu amwanyi amwo mi age no wanti mi awo na wo pe ba ko orphanage na ko fa ba onni ma mi ni papa ni mu ne kira kwan orphanage no ebetimi amoneta ma wa hwe ne ye ukofo obi ane maame ne papa ti asia me pa twede e dia me de be ye enye John pe o na me wo baby so e friend Eradu the same thing onu ko de owie university eye national service oye national service na me tia me ka e ma ne daily sika pocket money de koba first day girl yi G ni first pay Eradu G ni first pay no hu say me kasa ni pe ni mu dodo and I am my birthday. Ghost, I have to catch you. And Eradu hu say me kasa ni pe ni mu dodo me tia ni pa dodo me wo suban bi a on pe but oni me bet na me ne mofra si enyi school eko university ni ma papa nyina no use me ni tina play mu tu kwan na ade nyina onya ni first pay national service first pay of 400 Ghana cedis girl yi ni ankasa so no ti me fee ne mami ba ya me friend mami ba ya nkasa o ka kire me say ne ba ne me tina nyina afite me mofra se be sin ne no so no No son who obetions only what's none of son one. Who told the most expensive phone and money, expensive clothes, pay fees, buy food, do everything, take care of them literally. But when you no yes, or that is all yes, can only mammy, only musemi casado, only musemi siamo, don't semi and a paboni, only munetra, only musa da coma, and any parents, Tina de Bojam, coy, or coy or cop bread, or some by the patch or Miss Ansu Gino. Me Gino buy and around that time, no. The luxury na money before my family be me managing myself on ye. And I was saying the same thing as John so aye. So those of you asking about John and John when John mammy abe no ko or sing crofwe sereno say on to me and shaneba. And I mean I mention no. Or say the John to turn a man who say and John I fine and I John come and send the man John I say. And so I bet the bumper chop me when and to Miss Ramo to save me from any heartbreak and tears. Me post me in my picture. Me patron maybe some John some ne air. It's na barry way I would see me young woman. Me patron. So when you ma wo na dachi bi. Yeah, as strong as I am, you will commit suicide because I thought about that. I never thought I could live my life with you. Don't cry. Mother, don't cry. Eat a watermelon. I never thought. So, today is my birthday. I'm telling you, sir. John, on the champion. Muhun is so above Braboni, be no baby, Bonnie be Okroma. You cannot blame me or report to me. John, ma, me see yes, Renuso on to me, Shaneba, on to me, Shaneba, and a dear, and a me and a money ba, and a yes, it will bet you no cock, me Benny. Mary Gary, I'm in there, maybe Kobe, I'm in there, I'm young, and Mary, I'm in the berry. Obi auntie answer. Obi bate wunchaya, you have to please them. The things you can't do, you have to do for them. Obi bate wunchaya, hey, yeah. Every time you have to please them. Obi bate wunchaya, every time you have to do something to please them. You can't yell at them when they are wrong. You can't hit them. You can't do shit because you are scared that they will tell the world, say, oh, boy, treat you. And me in my position as a celebrity, I have to do all I can to keep this boy happy. But his mother came one day. See, ungrateful people, they don't care about your feelings. And took the boy away. And the boy too left. Today is my birthday. I'm 41 years old. It's coming back. Come and then. Come in the bar, when you ma wife, when you ma wo, wouldn't be a better crowd. Now, wow, what now do age be now? Wow, ma, Miss Row, and then, remember, I don't wish anything for myself. I rather wish people to have children, to have a child, at least one child. I wish everybody that is looking for a child to have a child. Be this soon to be an account because soon to be a the beko be a fee or be a west rabasa. So you could double one yaba. Nanado yaba. Bibi bia wo gidi wo mo bia no na nyaba na wo na sa wo na wo for people I was straight so wo passion. This is how you will feel. I have a son. Anita Wusu. I owe you an apology. I remember when I was pregnant. Anita. Ubo be the access about Wubaya. Say Jamie. And you, I am Shishia and I'm a mommy keeping you saying. Let me feel my career is more important. I thought my career was more important than everything. I didn't want to have a child. I was taking people's children. Plenty. At some point, I was living with 16 kids in my home, taking care of them. People's children. They all ended up showing me their ass. So today, my birthday, I'm dedicating it to Obibia Oniba. You more pastors, Obenya Wayemba. I said, well, what that? Now go for Biba. You all see how I cherish John, how I. The Amu who they say is social media. But those who are close to me, they know. I can't hold it anymore. I've been crying for the past 2 weeks. I cannot hold it. I cannot sit here and eat and pretend as if I'm happy. I am not happy because my son, my friend is has been taken away from me. And the reason is that the mommy see yes, so to me, Shaniba. Yeah, the Joe air compare. So far, Joe Coy, but it is some. Miss Rock, what baby? I don't want your body. Ni mama ti choko. O mami chai ana do so be. Don't give more details. So, onyema. Whoa. Anita, what's now, mommy was out for Lawe. Can Miss Sue say, I would have cried more than this. But at least me will be a member. Onyema. I said, wow. Don't say that you say, oh, it's not the right. There is no right time, oh. I remember Anita used to tell me, there is no right time. Like I said, oh, be try right time. Oh, be see me fear we are. We talk our way we are. Me where we are. Me patrol. There is no right time. You know, I thought now Sheban Amanda. Ebeba no. Now say you know, and then my birthday, the Abesra they say, Muamun de Bano, Yame bedroom, Monama Wumpa, means who social media that. Why won't they baby? I will pepper. Ya uchiti wa piano. Ebi akwaima na wutemi mba. Yes aha. Besu. Na misui. Na kabini mi wa mambo na misui o. Kabini ma you can imagine I could have killed myself. He walked out of my life. 15th December. I will never forget. Now someone say ma be job be somebody now. The body hear me. The body hear me. Jones used to hear me. There are too many ungrateful people in this life. Now me be able to say me bo be there. But me so be there. It's a misro. She this way ya me see. Na se wonyi ma. Wa kwa ko. Upedu wodachi. Maybe why? This is what I can say. When you ma ukofo bi baso be buano, don't expect anything in return. Because you would never get that love back. They would never give you that love back. They would never love you back. You can't even be angry at someone's child that will raise it. You can't. When you are angry, can't be before. So when I post a picture with my son, please don't come asking about John or cup. And then only the mommy. So the mommy will choco. Single rubu. Oh no pay. Blood is thicker than water. Yes, it's true. Wait, I thought maybe that's a Gary that video. I didn't baby. Yeah. This is my last year's ministry. Thank you all for the love that will show me. I just want you to understand that Joe and your baby. Let me post a picture. No, me, I think it's a myself where is John. Let me tell you more. What choco?
So only chocolate stone in that one. Maybe a war. My titano, I don't know. I struggled for 60 years. I don't even understand that 16 number. I used to have 16 girls staying with me. I am 60 years old in the music industry. 60 years ago, we go for me back. I'm a pension no call. Say yes, Sereno. So it's a mention back. I need to find out what that 16 number means because anytime it appears in my life, it's a disaster. John is not dying. It's not my son. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Say ena Mzbel eden nsem no etu eye edwana ebusia utie eye ne nsem yi a does it mean say crampo no so obekwa kofa obi ba ahwe no no ena enye ana se wa betina se awowo de enu emom eneye because na futu awodi etu eye edwana je so chemu a se wo ye oba na se wonyem a ene ehu behia pan se wo bewo endwen se ebia o ha obi si ana se sei ena wukom nanso so no wo na ebiemu enso sa wo ye obi a wo aware na wo pa akwada na wunya bia enkofa wo bi a wo maame ewo ena ewo eja na emomfa wo bi a woni eni eja wo ye orphan emom ena chesa wo ne natena se de be ya se wo drum pepeso bi a won kasa ani me maame ni me papa enu nti me kɔ eye wo mo enchen na maame yi esu a wodan na di enu nti wo de abefa ne ba e de free Mzbel enchen ne de eja abaye ya rawoi eye ne kwan so a enu no ebusia ensem wei e de ekoi won so wagye nche fa Mzbel nsem yi ho sen fabra e otuma gh comment section like videos na share or all the social media platform esumidi e de ekwesi kapa that's ne yebesane share
too much gh we boy wate shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much gh.